Guys, we got this 2007 Jeep Compass 2.4 liter. Has this code P2004, intake manifold flap or runner control stuck open. And they got a new intake manifold on it. Looks like a new module, or a new motor, but it doesn't look like it has any markings on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into here, go to live or active tests. Right here, flow control. Yes. I tried recording this first, and then there's a bunch of music playing, and I got interrupted. So just quick do this again. Let's see, we'll right here. This should be our flow control valve. So now if we turn this on, you'll see our position goes up to 2, and it just buzzes. I don't know if it'll pick it up. Hear the buzzing? And we can toggle this. And I just feel it like click, and then pause, click, pause, click, pause. So I'm gonna get this unbolted, and we'll see if like the intake's jammed or something. I have no idea, because like I said, somebody put this intake on here. So I took a screwdriver. I got the mount out. Got my screwdriver in here, and I can't turn this flap. Go that way. See if I can go the other way. It's hard to hold down this flap. And try to turn this at the same time. Let's see if we can do this. So I can't turn towards me. There's just a little bit of play because there's a big groove, and I can't turn it that way. This should just flop easily. Let me show you guys what it looks like in here. See if we can get you guys down here. There you go. Oh, we're not done. Oh, there you go. That's what it looks like in there. So it's just like a flathead spot, and I can't turn it. We have our. Let's see if we can set this stuff up. We have our motor sitting right here. There's our motor. So we can see if this will turn, which I think it will with the scan tool. See if I can get this to turn. There we go. We're going to command it on. Command it off. Is it turning now? I wonder if there's a position sensor on here too, or if it's all part of this. Oh, can this turn? Oh, I wonder if this thing is jammed now too. I think both of I think this might have got burned up from it being stuck. Because I can't turn this. Oh, is this like crooked? Oh, this piece moves. But if I try to move it, it like, I try to move it by hand. This thing's jammed too. I think he has another one in the trunk. Let me grab the other one. So the customer had another motor in the back of the car. That's the one that was on the car.
You ready?
Yeah, just turn it on. Don't start it. Okay. Let me see if this turns.
I had a lightning bolt lid. I didn't know what that meant.
That's for the throttle. Why is this not? Maybe this test isn't doing anything. I don't know if these work. I feel it toggling it, but it's not. Maybe these are both burned up from that intake being stuck. I'm gonna try getting another one. I want to show you guys something that I found. So these actuators are good. Let me show you. With this on disconnected. Let's see. See our position voltage. Let me grab our position or our module. Fell down in here. So there's our module. So if we turn this, look at that. Look at our position sensor. Our position sensor will turn. Come on. Can't get on it where it's at. Let's see. It's so much easier with.
I haven't seen Cornwell for a while.
No. So much easier with two hands. Let's see. There we go. So you can see we can move our position based on rocking this. Oh man. See if this will be better. So if we rotate this like this, see our position change. See if we can rotate this pretty far. So if we rotate this at any spot and we press toggle, this will actually toggle. Look, it tries to rotate on me. Oops. But it'll only do that if you have this rotated. Come on. Let's try this again. There we go. We toggle this. Now it's trying to turn. See? Look at that. So now if we press off on here, turn it on, this thing rotated. So watch this. If I press off, see, look at the position. Watch this. Off. See it snap back. So we turn this again. Just a little bit. We turn it on. There it went. Turned on. It went really far. Look at our position. Here we go. We turn it off. So that is working. It's our intake flap that is stuck 100%. So gotta see what the customer wants to do. I don't remember if I showed you guys this with the adapter on. Let's see. So we have the adapter on right here, and we cannot turn this. See, we can't go down, and we can't go this way. Let me move this thing out of the way a little bit here. There we go. There's a lot going on right here. Let me try to get this blade in here. There you go. Let's try it in there. Here we go. So we can't go this way. That's where it stops. And we can't go this way. It stops. So the customer said his son put this on so that he's going to fix it. Even though he said that you can move it with a needle nose, it doesn't move far. That is not far for a flap. Should probably get like a full quarter turn or half turn out of this thing. But this, it doesn't. I think most of that's just play between this connection. Because remember, it has that like 2-inch rod that goes in there, so it's just play between this one and the other one. So, hope you guys like this. Maybe you learned something. Hope it helps. So they need to fix this intake. See you guys later.